Our next topic is simple if. So this is our table, this is ID, this is name, this is marks, and this is our result field. So our question is, if marks are greater than equals to 500, then we have to print pass, otherwise fail. For that, equals to if within bracket I will select marks is greater than equals to 500, then put comma, within double quotes, pass. If we don't want to give second condition, we can leave it like that. It will give you pass. Drag and drop. It is giving false. If we don't want false here, we want empty field here, then here after pass we will put comma and empty double quotes. When we drag and drop it, it will leave that field empty. And if we don't even want to leave that field empty, we want to print fail message or some other message, we can put it inside it. Drag. Next topic is nested if. Nested if means if inside another if. So this is our given table, this is ID, this is name, this is salary, and this is section field. Now we have to print here section based on salary. Like if salary is less than 50,000, we have to print section D. If it is less than 70,000, section C. If less than 90,000, section B, and otherwise we have to print section A. For that we are using nested if. So equals to sign, if within bracket this salary is less than 50,000, then put comma, within double quotes, section D we have to print, double quotes close, again comma, again we will start another if again starting bracket, salary is less than, our second condition is if it is less than 70,000, so put 70,000 here. If it is less than 70,000, then comma, within double quotes, section C, again comma, again if, within bracket, if salary is less than 90,000, section B, then we have to select again salary is less than 90,000, then we have to print double quotes, section B, double quotes close, otherwise we have to print section A, comma, within double quotes, section A. Close all the brackets one by one, enter. So here we got section C. Drag and drop it. This was our nested if.